If you get called for a rear tow on a medium or heavy-duty truck, are you confident that your toolbox has the right attachments to get the job done quickly and safely? Every heavy-duty tow operator should own a pair of these U-bolt lifting attachments from AW Direct. Keep watching this Zips 360 to learn how this high-carbon steel attachment is designed for faster and easier rear hookups. Simply place each lifting attachment into the fork receivers on your crossbar. The beveled receiver acts as a funnel to guide the U-bolt and nut from the spring saddle onto the fork. The extra height extends 5 inches, allowing you to stay clear of air brakes and air suspension parts. The shaft is 3 inches tall and has a diameter of 2 inches. The diameter of the beveled guide on the attachment is 1 7/8 inch. Sold individually and as pairs, these U-bolt lifting attachments from AW Direct work well with the entire Miller Industries heavy-duty wrecker line, including the Vulcan V30, V70, V100, and Sentry 3212, 4024, 5130, 5230, 7035, 9055, and all the rotator models, as well as Jerden's too. Every heavy-duty tow truck should have a set of AW Direct U-bolt lifting attachments. Shop towing accessories on zips.com to order today.